all for being here. My name is Travis Kimball. I'm one of the owners and founders of Quack Car Wash, and I'm just so thrilled to be here. So we want to be the community partner to change lives and help do fundraising in the community. And so a few years ago, we started a tradition where we select a family that in need in the community where we're doing a grand opening, and we do a preview fundraiser. So last night we were able to open the car wash up, give away our best wash, and accept donations on behalf of a wonderful family. Tuitupou Family, their fifth child, Sifa, was born with Charge syndrome, a rare genetic disorder. They are ingrained in the community here, and that was evident by what happened last night. The community showed up, and I'm proud to say we set a record last night, and today we're able to present a check to the Tuitupou family for $18,000.
But I just want to express my gratitude. Just express my gratitude for making this possible and for choosing our family. It's kind of been a hard year, but we thank you.
Congratulate you for being one of our first customers for our grand opening. We're going to give you a year of free car washes. You're very welcome. For being one of our first customers in line today, we're going to give you a year of free car washes. So congratulations.
Oh, thank you very much.
¿Ya visitaron a Quack Car Wash antes o no? ¿Primera vez? Ok. Pues por estar aquí tan temprano, vamos a darle un año de car washes. Felicitaciones.
Good morning.
Oh my gosh, you guys woke up early
I know.
to visit Quackles, huh?
They were up and I said we better go. We want to come and see him.
You're one of our first customers. For you guys getting up so early, we're going to give you a year of free car washes.
No way!
Yeah.
We weren't expecting that. What?
Yeah.
What
So
did I say?
you can keep them all to yourself or you can share them with your friends.
Wow.
They make good gifts. You just stick them in the card for a birthday.
Wow, thanks. Way to go, you guys.
Yeah. For being here so early, we're kicking off our grand opening. We're going to give you a year of free car washes. So you can use those to give away to friends or whatever. If you already have a membership, then you can use them however you want.
All right, thank you.
Hey, we're here in St. George. We just opened our first location in St. George, but our third in southern Utah and our 35th in Utah. And we just gave away a year of free car washes to 5 lucky winners this morning. We got 12 days of free car washes coming up. Come visit us and don't drive dirty.